Hey guys, this is a weird video request. This is a video request by Burping is Funny. And I don't know. I'm still sick. And I think I know what it is. I don't know, I'm going to the doctor. And my mom just found out that she's allergic to eggs, but she's been eating eggs for like a lot of her life. So we're gonna go and see if I'm allergic to eggs. Because that's what I had. And it made me really sick. So anyway, I don't recommend, if you don't want to watch me burp, then don't watch this. That's it. Bye.